Hello everybody, welcome in today's crypto tutorial on how to buy FLR, the FLR token on Coinbase. So for the first step we need to log into our Coinbase account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. Now you have three options on the right top corner: a deposit, buy and sell, and a send and receive option. We will select the buy and sell option, so we will open the buying overview. As you can see, the purchase frequency is selected on a one-time purchase, but if you need a different purchasing frequency, just select it and select the one which suits for you. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat, the euros or dollars you would like to use to buy this coin. Tick in the amount you would like to buy. I'm using 2 euros. After that, select the coin we are going to buy. That is the FLR token. Tick in FL and it already appears in this list. Select the coin and now you can select the wallet you would like to use for the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet, and if you use another currency, just select it in this list. If you don't have any available options, make sure your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can click on the button below to add a payment method to this list. After that you can select it. Head back to the overview and click on Review Order to have some more information about the purchase we are going to make. If you click on it, as you can see, I'm buying 39 coins. I'm spending 1 euro and 1 cent on the coins. The Coinbase fee is 99 euro cents and the total amount is the 2 euros we have filled in the previous overview. They also give you an option to invest on a weekly base. Then this amount of 2 euros will be spent every week on these coins, and you can cancel it at any time. If you decided to buy this coin, click on Buy Now to add the coins directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Bye bye!